Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Rich. Just woke up here on a Saturday morning. There's a lot of things to do on my list, but I'm gonna be shooting a productive day in my life, shot entirely on the iPad Mini 6, which I got right here. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. Alright, so yeah, here's your boy with the iPad Mini 6 flex on him. It's like, yeah, so the first thing I do in the morning is I'll wash my hands, get ready, brush my teeth, and in the meantime, oh yeah, that's my cat Suki. He likes to creep on me on the door sometimes. Moving on, I'll just get my leftover Chipotle from the night before, put that in the microwave. It's just a regular chicken and steak bowl that I really like. But yeah, here's today's agenda. Health information management homework. Gotta check some emails, script and edit a YouTube video, cut my friend's hair, and ultimately get to breakdancing, which is also my workout. But yeah, I mean, leftover Chipotle hits kind of different, especially when you microwave it. I mean, it's really good, bro. But alright, so here's a time-lapse mode. So this time it's like 9 to 11 a.m. I'm basically just checking up on some things, doing some quick busy work to get some things out of the way. But I set my iPad on my drawer here, put the time-lapse mode on to see how it's doing, and it looks pretty good to me. Alright, so I've been working on this homework assignment for a few minutes now, which is an entity relationship diagram for my HIM class. But I'm going to take a quick break and cut my own hair real quick. I know on the itinerary that I'm cutting someone else's hair. My friend, he's going to come around 4 to 5 p.m. later today. So I'm going to do my hair first because I'm looking a bit scruffy, and I'll be right back. Yeah, so here's my hair cutting battle station. I mean, it's just a shelf where I keep all my hair cutting equipment on, but yeah, I got these pair of wall designers. I had these for 6 years now. They've worked wonderful, haven't broke on me since, love them to death. But yeah, so here I'm just putting on my apron, getting myself ready for my haircut and snapping on the guard. Today I'll be giving myself a skin fade. I've been cutting my own hair for 6 years now too, because I found that it's a great way to save money. I don't really trust any other barbers right now. Plus, it's something to do in the pastime. It's a great hobby of mine. I cut myself. I cut my friends' hairs as well. So yeah, here's a mess. Cut a lot of hair off today. As you can see, not fun to clean up. Just got the sides trimmed, as you can see. Just gotta brush it off for a little bit. Definitely a lot cleaner than before. Okay, so after that haircut, I want to go take a shower, and now I'm on to cleaning my room. So after this, I'll be showing you some footage on campus later. I'll be walking towards it to show you, the iPad Mini 6 and how it's doing in outdoorsy weather conditions. But after I clean my room, I gotta get back into, working on some assignments, finishing up some stuff. But I gotta hop on a Zoom call with one of my clients real quick. She wants a video edited and completed for her organization. So we're gonna, collaborate on some ideas and talk and whatnot. But I'm gonna take a second to show you how small this iPad really is. It fits ergonomically in one hand. It's really nice. It fits, perfectly. My cat is waiting on me too. He just wants to play and do whatever. But the nice part about the iPad mini is that it fits into anything, literally. I mean, look at my coat. I'm just going to drop it in there. Whoop, snug and nice. So here's campus right now. Just took a walk to take a little bit of a break, a little breather. There's not much to show you today. It's a little bit empty. Yeah. Alright, so I'm out on campus right now. It's brick outside. I mean, not much to see because everything's all gray and gloomy. I mean, look, everything like from the grass and the trees, they're all dead. But I'm gonna try to find some good locations on campus to show you how the camera quality is. So let's try to see some stuff out here. So right in front of me, that nice beautiful arc is a library. I was just in there to print out some stuff and notes for my major. Here's a temple owl that people always flock to and get it, flock. Anyways, so this is the campus itself. It's pretty beautiful. One thing I would like to say about the iPad is that the image stabilization is really, really good. Look at all this smooth footage. I'm moving my iPad around a lot, and even when I'm walking with it, I mean, you can just tell I'm holding this with my bare hands, no stabilizer, no nothing. the iPad is doing a wonderful job just making the footage all crisp and clean, and it's great. Here I'm taking out my my Apple Pencil I got that I'm going to be using on the iPad mini. Let me know if you want to see a video about this down below. I'm going to test it out to see if I like it or not for school. That's the second generation Apple Pencil, by the way. It's really cool because it's flat on one side and it can magnetically attach onto the iPad mini. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. So here you can see that I'm just setting up my camera equipment because I'm about to shoot another YouTube video, and Suki is staring at the iPad. That's really creepy of you. But right here I'm just shooting. I wrote out a script for my video. Looks kind of funny and weird when you're watching this because it's weird that I'm talking to the camera, but you get used to it. Okay, so I just finished filming this video and my friend's gonna come over for a haircut in a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm just gonna import the stuff from my SD card onto my computer, wait for that to upload, and we'll see from there. Okay, so judging at this rate, I don't think I'll be able to get a workout / dance in because, I'm not perfect and I went a little off schedule, but right now I'm cutting my friend's hair. He comes every month. Today he just wanted a trim on the sides and a little bit off the top, about 1/4 inches off. As you can see right here, really nice. He's clean, nice and tidy. Don't worry about the hair in the back. He's gonna wet it and take it off when he showers. So here's some more video editing work. Yeah, I'm working on this pretty diligently. I gotta do this, get it posted, and then work on some more homework. So I'm running out of time, man. Alright, yo guys, I'm so tired. Here's some clips of me working out. I didn't really bother to do a voiceover for that because I didn't want to waste y'all time, but it's almost 12 in the morning here. Finished up all my assignments for today. I am so gassed. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of this video. I didn't know that I was gonna film on the iPad mini. This device is really nice. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos regarding the iPad. I plan on doing a full review on it with the Apple Pencil Generation 2. If that's something you guys like to see, drop a like down below. Say something in the comments, and I'll be sure to take that in consideration. So, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next video, I'll see you then. Peace.